ये हमारे सुरजीत सर हैं, ओनली ब्रांड्स के ओनर। लास्ट हमारे आर्चर्स मिसेस इंडिया में ऑफिशियल डिज़ाइनर पार्टनर थे।
ओके, तो मिस्टर सुरजीत, आप बताएंगे कि आप एज ए डिजाइनिंग पार्टनर हो, जो इवेंट खत्म हुआ और सक्सेसफुल इवेंट खत्म हुआ है, उसके आपके क्या अनुभव थे, क्या एक्सपीरियंस थे?
First of all, I'm thankful to Archers for making us a part of Mrs. India contest which happened at Sahara Star. It was a very rocking event. The kind of crowd and the celebrities were there. It was a very successful event, and we are very happy to associate with Archers.
व्हाट वाज योर क्राइटेरिया? आपकी प्लानिंग क्या थी? क्योंकि आप इंडियन वुमेन्स को आप रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे थे, उनकी डिजाइनिंग कर रहे थे, तो आपने किस हिसाब से ड्रेसेस सेलेक्ट किए थे?
Basically, it was for Mrs. India, all married women. So definitely the design and the entire sequence structure was done as per the married women's, and it went very well. And basically these designs are done by Nadia Khan and Shinu Dadiala. They are the one who are the creative people working on my team, and definitely with Tushar sir's help, we could manage to get good dresses, and we could deliver a very good event.
अच्छा, इसके साथ ही अब आप सुनने में आ रहा है कि आप एक इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर इन्हीं मिसेस इंडिया यूनिवर्स के लिए भी ड्रेस डिजाइन कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें आप कैसे करेंगे कि वो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे जाने वाला है?
हाँ जी।
और उसमें शायद बाहर विदेशों में भी रहने वाली भारतीय स्त्रियां भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकती हैं, वहाँ की भी पार्टिसिपेट करेंगी।
I'd like to come back on my word again. As I told you, like Archers Mrs. India, which was a very successful and a hit event, and due to which we have gone one step ahead, and now we are doing it Mrs. India Universe, which is on a much larger scale, and definitely it is an international platform. It is a very big exposure for us. I'm very thankful to Archers and Tushar sir, Mehul sir, and definitely what do you call it, we are looking at the international platform, so the designs are going to be very different, and we are working very hard, and this event is going to happen in the month of October, and we are all set to floor our new designs on the day.
Well, there is a rumor in air that you are going to judge this show also. So how much is it true?
No, I'm thankful again to Archers. You know, they provided the opportunity, and definitely I'm going to be one of the jury, and let's see how it goes. I'm looking forward and very excited to judge the event.
What criteria will be there for judging the show? According to you, what you will be going to criteria?
Yeah, definitely it's going to be the walk, the dresses, the entire sequence, and sorry, next.
अगेन
हाँ जी,
हाँ,
नहीं एक मिनट पहले इसको वो कर ले।
आपका क्राइटेरिया क्या रहेगी इसके लिए?
There is no height, no weight criteria, which is
Okay.
all completely like वो women of substance को हम लोग इसमें represent करेंगे।
Sir, talking about the Western,
Judging.
so it will be a Western or Indian culture. Together will be there, or only Western culture?
Both.
Indo-Western.
इंडो वेस्ट।
Indo-Western.
ओके, कमिंग टू द पॉइंट, आपके ब्रांड पर हम आते हैं कि आपका ये स्टोर, व्हाट इज दिस ऑल अबाउट, एंड इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड करते हैं?
This store basically we have a lot of Indo-Western again, and then we have a lot of casuals for young generation, like basically guys and girls from college, as well as we have designer stuff for young women and married ladies. The current, the new designs, what we are going to floor for the Mrs. Archer's universe, that's an entire new sequences and design that we are going to floor.
Which is the favorite design right now you have in this shop?
Yeah. Say if you
Which
talk
should be
about
said?
if you talk about favorite, there are a lot of favorites. It's like more than 3,000 patterns we have, and if you're talking about the favorite, I have 100 of them. Probably I can show you a few if you want to, and I'll be really happy to show them.
How much you get the response from your customers, and from this event also, how much you get the response?
I'll tell you, the store we are operating since quite some years, but since the time I have participated or I have been a part of Archers, it's really grown well, and we are very soon we are going online, and this Mrs. Universe is really going to help us. Sorry, Mrs. India Universe is really going to help us to go in the world.
Can you tell us about sir regarding how he helped you regarding this show, and how much he supported?
No.
Tushar sir,
we are not helping him.
I'd like to speak on this.
Sir always
Tushar
helping
sir
us like
is
for
a
everything.
very strong
Yeah.
personality,
Thank you so
and
much,
I have
sir.
seen him working. I have seen his work. He's very serious about each and everything. Simple thing going here and there, he's not comfortable. So knowing his taste and style of working, we can really associate well, and I'm very happy to be with Tushar sir.
Last question coming to humor point.
हाँ जी.
There are lots of shows, Miss India, Mrs. India,
हाँ जी.
but there are only Mr. India. Why not any other show also, which you can also participate, because you are looking quite smart.
Thank you. I really appreciate. This goes to the organizers. I feel they should go and do Mr. India also, so that people like us, can be a part. And there are many more handsome guys in India who can participate and be a part of this nice event.
This is a place, is the Lokhandwala, where many celebrities stay here. Which celebrity come to your shop and they like your dress? Designer pieces.
See, basically staying and born and brought up in Lokhandwala, it's like I know many people. They are a very close friend of mine. It's not because of only brand they're coming, but since they know me, so they are here. Tiger Shroff was here for a while. There was Irfan Khan had come, but then I have not posted the picture on the group because on the media because they don't like it. There are many more. There is Mahesh Thakur is there. Puneet Tejwani is there. Arjun Kapoor is a very close friend of mine.
Okay, can you show your dress regarding designer piece which you like it, if you have right now?
Yeah, why not? Sure, I would love to. Yeah. This is a Indo-Western design which you can see there is a sequence work.
Okay. Okay, and then other part, other
Sure.
pieces. Okay. Rajesh, इधर आओ, आगे आओ.
This is the other one. It's a wine color. Again designed by Shinu Dudiyala. We have a lot of, like, as I told you, the Indo-Western, the skirts which are designed like this one.
Which is your most favorite design piece?
My most favorite is what my wife wears. She knows my wife, so whatever she wears it, I really like them.
Thank you so much. August.
Thank you. Really appreciate and thank you so much. You have been a very nice people. Thank you.
So what you want to say?
What
So
I want
giving
to
you
say.
a lot of compliments.
Oh, you know what? इतनी सारी मैं चीज़ों का हकदार नहीं हूँ. सारी चीज़ें सुरजीत सर की है. सुरजीत सर जैसा कहेंगे हम वैसा मान लेंगे. सुरजीत सर rocks.
Now Eid is done after 2 days. Any you want to say regarding that? Any best wishes you want to give?
To सुरजीत सर?
Everyone.
Everyone. तो मेरे से अच्छा शायद सुरजीत सर ज़्यादा अच्छे से बोलेंगे इस चीज़ के लिए.
सभी मेरे भाइयों बहनों सभी को ईद मुबारक कहना चाहूँगा. एंड इस मुबारक मौके पे मैं उनको यही कहना चाहूँगा कि प्लीज़ अक्टूबर में आप हमारे इवेंट में जो मिसेस इंडिया यूनिवर्स होने जा रहा है अक्टूबर में, प्लीज़ आइए और उसमें पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए. एंड वी विल बी वेरी थैंकफुल. एंड अगेन आई लाइक टू से एवरीवन, विश यू ऑल अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी ईद. ईद मुबारक.
Thank you so much.